We work really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer, telling us what a great job we did. And now we're happy to share it with you. We really appreciate it when someone is kind enough to write about their experience with our staff. We believe reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're always here to serve you.